Okay, so this quick tip video shows you how you can integrate Kahoot directly into the team for quick access and for launching assignments to them directly within Teams. And I'll also show you how you can integrate Quizlet as best as possible within a team as well. Okay, so let's start off with Kahoot. Now, if you go up to the very top where you've got these tabs and you click on the plus, you can add extra tabs and extra apps. So on here, we're going to pick one which is Kahoot. Okay, you can either search for it in the list or just type it in at the search bar at the top and then click Kahoot. Okay, and then click add. And what it'll do is it'll prompt me to log in. Okay, and now I have got a new tab at the top which is for all my Kahoots, and here they all are. So any Kahoots that I've made are already accessible straight within there. Equally, if I'm on a premium account, you can see any that have been added to my whole school are accessible there as well. Okay, so let's say I want to play one of these with the class. Okay, so I'm going to pick a Kahoot here, click play. I've got two options. Teach is when you do the kind of live Kahoot quiz, which you can do straight from here. Okay. Again, I can pick all my usual options, classic, team, pick all the options here, and off I go. Obviously that's great, especially if you're in remote. You could be doing a live lesson on Teams, and then you could launch that and share your screen so that you can do Kahoot in remote. If I want to set them an assignment, I can click that and click the assign. Okay, I can choose the date and the time and what I want them to do here. Just check the options, click create. What will happen is that should post that challenge into the channel. Okay, so if I go to general here now, you'll see that there is a new challenge there and it's got the deadline. If we look at it from the student's perspective, here they are as the student's view. They can click open challenge and they can play that Kahoot straight from within there. So it's a bit of asynchronous learning. They can do this in their own time, and they can get on with that, and it basically works in the same way that a normal Kahoot does. Equally, there's a nice link, which is that if I am on Kahoot on my browser and I assign a Kahoot challenge, okay, then when I assign a new Kahoot challenge, I get an option here to share it to Teams. Okay, so if I click that, then I can share it to a channel, just like we saw just then, but we did that from directly within Teams that time. But actually on here as well, I can do create an assignment. I can choose a class, I can give it a title, and how many points are available. I can give it the date and time, etc., and then it will put a link straight into this Kahoot there. So I click assign. There we go, and I've created a brand new assignment there. So again, that's a nice way of linking Kahoot straight into Teams. Here we go, they can view this assignment. This is the student's view, and they've got that Kahoot challenge to do there. So they'll click on it and they'll be able to do it there. So you can set it as an assignment or you can send it into a channel. So back into the teacher's view of Teams, and let's have a quick look at Quizlet, another really popular game-based learning activity. And there's two ways I can share Quizlet. I can share it in a message, actually. If I go new conversation down here and I choose the three dots, I can add the Quizlet app to messages. Okay, and once I've got the Quizlet app to messages, I can search for Quizlet directly within there. It will remember it. It's down there where the queue is. So I can quickly find any Quizlet I want and post about it on a channel. But also, if I go up to the top and I go to plus, I can add a new Quizlet tab at the top here. And when I add Quizlet, accept the cookies, okay, I can paste in a link to a particular Quizlet setup there. Okay, so copy the link from the browser, paste it in here, press return, okay, and I can click save. And once that's done, is it's posted a whole new tab at the top here. So if I view that from the student's perspective, okay, it says a new tab has been added to the to this channel, 2.1 cells. They can go up to the top, it says new, and they can access this Quizlet set straight from in there. So it's a nice way for them to have quick access to do some revision straight within that team.